guys, it's KelcieJanay. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a high puff tutorial. Usually just start off as soon as I wake up in the morning. I just take my bonnet off and y'all, this is this old wash and go with the Camille Rose, and yeah, it looks really raggedy. It still got a little shine to it, but it's, yeah, I really need to wash it and do something different. For this tutorial, we're gonna be using this old wash and go. I usually like to use wash and goes or twist outs when I do my high puff because like it makes it, you know, bigger, gives the puff its life. So what I'm gonna start off doing is of course taking me some oil. I'm using the Just Joy hair oil, and I'm going to be pouring a few drops in my hand. You can use any oil that you want, any oil of your choice, but I'm just using this because it's fire. It's some really good oil, I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all really need to get on board. So I'm just putting this oil in my hair, and like you can see, y'all, it look bad. I'm almost ashamed to show y'all what it's looking like right now. But this high puff is gonna make everything look a lot better. So I just put the oil in my hair to give it a little bit more shine and just to wake it up a little bit, wake up the puff. To be putting up my puff, I'm using this big scrunchie. I actually took this from my mama. I don't even know if she know, but she know now. But I'm sure you can get one of these from Walmart or the hair store. It's really stretchy. If I keep stretching it may pop because it got that little, you know, that little piece right there. Just be popping. Also use a stocking, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do that also. So I'm just gonna take this, put it over my head, and start rolling it up in the back. Also pushing the top. And you will be amazed how many people do not know how to do a high puff. And I was one of those people when I first started off. Being natural, I didn't even know how to do a high puff. Of course, I YouTubed it like I do anything else. There you have it, a high puff. And you don't want to just go out with the high puff looking just, you know, kind of rough around the edges. So, of course, you're gonna get some Eco Styler gel and do these edges. Oh yeah, I wanted to tell y'all, I did want to do the assumptions video, but on my Instagram I kept doing it on the, what is it, the Instagram stories, and I kept doing the ask or whatever and write assumptions about me, but I never got a lot back. I wanted to get more back so I can actually make a video and have like good enough content to make a good length video about it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me. I will have my Instagram name in the description bar. And then put some on the sideburns because y'all know I got long sideburns. I've always had long sideburns. So. And if y'all wondering where I got this from, I got this from the hair store, just the local hair store. I'm sure they have them. And I got a little cold if y'all hear me sniffing. And so I usually just take some little pieces out in the back and just to make a little curl. You know what I'm talking about, the little curls y'all be seeing at the back of folks' heads. And I'm gonna put some Eco Styler gel back there. And I usually just brush it through my edge brush to make sure all the gel is in my strands, and just do a little finger twirl. Ooh, I didn't do nothing. Hold on, I'm shy. Let's do it again. Okay, there we go. We getting somewhere. And once it dry up, it'll start looking better because they look a little raggedy. But this is real life, y'all. Sometimes our hair do not act the way we want it to. Okay, and then for the stocking method, what I did was I took this toe part off and this tip part off, and then I cut this way, and then I cut a strip off looking like this once I stretched it. So what you're gonna do is just wrap this around your head and tie it right here at the tip, and hopefully you'll have more tie space than I do. Just tie it twice like that, and you are just going to roll it up just like you did the scrunchie. And roll until you get that desired puff style, because some people just prefer to do the stocking, I guess because it's like less tension on your hair, because with the scrunchie sometimes I do find myself fighting trying to get hair out the scrunchie, because if you don't roll it up around the scrunchie or whatever. But so here you go, here is the stocking method, and like I said, it is less tension on your hair if this is how you want to do it. Okay, you guys, so if you like this video and you like this high puff, make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you can make sure you get a notification every time I post. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.